channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use where classes in SQL to filter data for more focused analysis. If you are working with large data sets, whether it's customer data, sales data, or anything else, filtering the right information is crucial to make insightful decisions. I will be using Sakila and World databases that we have installed for our examples. So let's get started. So, what is the where class? Simply put, it allows us to filter records based on specific conditions. This is super useful when you need to retrieve only the data that meets certain criteria. Here is the basic structure of the SQL query with a where class. Select column name from table name where, and you need to provide condition. So here the where class follows the from class and is used to specify the condition that data should meet. For instance, in the secular database, if we want to retrieve the films released in the year 2006, we could write select the column name film, sorry, title from table name film where release underscore year is equal to 2006. So this table is present in the secular database, so you need to mention once use Sakila and execute. We don't need to run this query again and again if you are going to use secular database for the next queries. If you are changing the database, then you have to use on the database name. Let's execute this query and see the results. So this query returned the list of films released in year 2006. Next, let's talk about comparison operators. These are essential when filtering the data. We can use operators like greater than, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, and not equal to, and equal to. So these are called comparison operators. For example, let's say we want to find all the countries in the world database where the population is greater than 100 million. So we need to use world database. So use world, select name from country where population greater than 100 million. Let me run this query. So this has filtered out all countries where populations under 100 million and gives us only the ones that meet the given condition. Okay, let's say you want to find records where films are not released in 2006. For that, you can write one conditional operator not equal to. Instead of equal to, you can simply put not equal to and execute this query. So we have a result set, but there is no data. Maybe in our database, all the films are released in 2006 only. Now let's take things to further with logical operators. So and or allows us to combine multiple conditions in the where class. For example, if you want to find all the cities in the world database that are either in United States or Canada and have population more than 1 million, you could write the following query. Select name from city, So let's see what are the columns present in the city table. So we have ID, name, country code, district, and population. So name from city, where country code is equal to 1 and country code is equal to 38. So this result set will give you, so we have to put here or, because we need the result set to be included either United States or US, Canada. And one more condition is population greater than 1 million. Here on this query, so we need to use world database. Know which database currently is being executed. You can see it is highlighted, Sakila is highlighted, whereas other one are not bold, so you can easily identify. Use bold. You can see that now bold database is being used. Now execute the query. So the query has been executed, but we don't have any results. In this query, we are asking for cities that are either in the United States or Canada and have population over 1 million. So it's a great way to narrow down your data even further. And remember, always use parentheses to group conditions for clarity. So next, what if you want to find the data that matches a specific pattern? That's where the like operator comes in handy. Let's say I want to find all the films in the secular database where title starts with the letter A. We can use like operator with a wild character percentage, like uh, select title from film where title like single quotes A percentage character. So if you run this query, you can see the films starting with A. Okay, we need to use secular database again. So use secular database and then run the query. See, all the list are starting with character A. So the percentage represents any sequence of characters. So this query will return all films whose title starts with A. You can also use like with the patterns for partial matches. For example, if you want films with adventure in their title, you can write select title from film where title like adventure. Let's say ADV. You can add this percentage symbol before and after ADV. So now if you run this query, so there are no film titles that are matching with these criteria. Let's say just maybe AD and run. So this query has returned all the titles which contains AD. Let's say in this academy we have AD here, ACAD. So AD. So if you look at all these titles listed here will contain AD. So if this tutorial is helpful to you, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more SQL tutorials. So far we have covered how to filter data using basic conditions, comparison operators, logical operators, and pattern matching with like. These are powerful tools to help you filter data in ways that will help the detailed analysis. Remember that combining multiple conditions allows you to ask more specific questions for your database. Let's have a quick recap. The where class allows us to filter data using simple conditions, comparison operators, logical operators like and, or, and pattern matching with like. These techniques will help you to get the data that you need, whether you are analyzing the sales data, customer data, or anything else. And that's it for today's tutorial on using where classes in SQL. Now you know how to filter your data with the precision to perform targeted analysis. Whether you are using Sakila or World Database, you have got the tools to get the job done. If you find this video useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what SQL topics you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.